Now I am in SE11 transaction code. I open the table Mara table. In this table, I have created one append structure. Using this structure, I have added my required fields. That is MATNR, ZZ mains. Now these fields I have added in the standard application, that is create material master. Now I am going to create material master screen. This is the create material master, that is transaction code MM01. Enter the material. Choose industry sector mechanical. Choose material type raw material. When I click on enter, select basic data 1, click on enter. In this basic data 1, I have added my customization required fields. Here you can see in the screen level, these are the customization fields I have added in the create material master. I am transferring the data, this customization field as well as standard field data from sender to receiver system. To transfer from sender to receiver, we need to follow some steps in extension idoc. Now I will show you what are the steps we need to follow to create a extension idoc. To work with extension idoc, these are the steps we need to follow the detail. What we need to do, the sender side, receiver side, what we need to do. Extension idoc work with below steps in detail, sender side as well as receiver side. As of now, I am using one server with different clients, that is 800 client and 810 client. 800 is a sender system and 810 is a receiver system. Now I need to create a custom segment with custom fields using the transaction code is W31 in the sender and receiver. What I mean to say here, I am using the one server, nothing but within one server I have already two clients are there. This to create a segment I can do within the sender only. That is the point I am highlighting here. Now I am going to W31 transaction code. I am going to create in the new segment with custom field what I have created in Mara table. Now I am in sender side, sender system. Now I am in the W31 transaction code, that is to create a custom segment. Here this is the enter the name of the segment and click on enter. Click on create icon and click on enter. Once you enter the short description with respect to in the short description field. What are the fields? ZZ, MATNR, ZZ, MENS. These are the fields I have created in Mara table. Data element is MATNR mains. When I click on enter, save it. Person, who is the person responsible? It is showing that information. Click on enter. Save your segment with respect to your package. Click on, as of now I am storing the local object. Saving. Next step number 2 we will follow. Step number 2 is create idoc extension type, that is W30 in sender side. I am opening the transaction code W30 in sender side, that is client 800. Now I am in W30 transaction code. Enter name of the object name ZEXT underscore segment underscore idoc. Select extension radio button. Click on create button. On pop-up will come. Click on enter. Linking with your basic type. Enter your linked with basic type and enter the short description. Click on enter. Showing error, the linked base type is not there. I'm choosing 05. Click on enter. Now expand the E1 Mara1M main segment. Under the main segment, you have a, this is the parent segment. Under the parent, we have a child segments are there. Select parent segment and click on create button and click on enter. Enter the segment type. What is the we have created? This segment, if you want to make a mandatory, then you can choose these checkboxes. Minimum number is 1 and maximum number is 1. Click on enter. The segment is added successfully. Click on save. Click on local object. I have completed step number 2. Now I am going to step number 3. What we need to do? Assign a message type and basic type and extension type. Then open the transaction code W82. These steps we need to perform in the sender and receiver. Now I am opening the W82 transaction code in the sender system. Now I am in W82 transaction code. It is showing the display. Click on the pencil icon. Pop-up will coming. Click on enter. And click on new entries button. And enter the message type. MAS. And enter the basic type. MAS 05. And enter the extension type. What now we have created. This is the ZEXT underscore SEG underscore idoc. What is the release? You can enter the release number and click on enter and save it. Save with respect to your tier. Click on enter and click on enter. Save it. Create new request. Click on save button, enter, save it. Now I have completed step number 3. Now I will go to step number 4. What is the step number 4? Partner profile with the extension type W20. In the sender system, I am going to opening the transaction code, that is W20 transaction code. Now I am in W20 transaction code. Expand the partner type LS. Here you need to find out your receiver logical system. My receiver logical system is RECE1 underscore 810. If you scroll down here, you can try to find out here receive1 810. If you click on here, it will show the information. This is the outbound parameter level. Double click on the message type. There you can see here you need to add your extension. You need to pass your extension name. Once you pass it, click on enter and click on save. I have completed step number 4. Now I will go to step number 5. What is the step number 5? Source code enhancement in the sender system. Now I will go to the transaction code C mode in the sender system. This step we need to do only sender. And fourth step also we need to do in the sender. But 1, 2, 3 steps we need to do in the sender as well as receiver system. If it is a different systems is there. Now I am in sender system. I am opening the transaction code /o BD10. That is a outbound program to send the material from sender to receiver. Click on system status. Double click on the program. I am going to finding the package for this program. Go to attribute. What is the package here? This is the package name. Copy the package name. Close it. Now I'm opening to find the enhancement. Go to the transaction code smod. Click on F4 in the enhancement field. Click on find information system. Provide the package name. Click on enter. What are the exits are there? It will be list out the exits. And which one is correct? You can choose with respect to the, you can read the short description. Material master industry ALE distribution. Material master industry read value for filter object. Material master retail ALE distribution. Now I am choosing as industry retail, not retail. Then I will go for the first one. Double click on this exit name and copy this exit name. Once I find the exit, now I need to implement this exit. Then slash and cmod. Click on enter. Provide the project name, that is ZBD10 underscore 1. Click on create button. Provide the short description for the project. Click on enhancement assignment. Save in your local object. Enter the enhancement name. What is the exit you copied? Click on enter. This exit is not using some different project level. Then not using, then you will get a description here. Click on component. Click on pop-up is coming. Click on yes. These are the is happening. Click on the pencil icon. Again click on the change button. Click on activate. Your project is activated. Now click on back. Again activate. Within this project, I am going to writing my custom logic within the with custom field related. Click on component. Now double click on the first one, the exit name. This is the function module. Within function module exit, these are the include program is there. In this include, we need to write our customization logic and put the cursor in the include name and double click on, and one more time put the cursor there and click on enter. Pop-up is coming. This include does not exist. Do you want to create? Yes, I want to create it. Yes. Save that object with respect to your package. As of now, I am storing the local object. Here I am going to write in the code. Now I am in include program. I have already code. I placed it into this include. I will explain the detail. I have declared one work area based on the associate type, the parent segment name. Using the parent segment name, I am assigning a work area. Now I have created one custom segment based on using the segment, using the structure. I have defined one work area. I have created an append structure. Based on the append structure, I have defined a work area. Now I am checking the condition case segment underscore name. In the segment level, the name is parent segment name is there. Then I am passing the data in this parent segment level, work area level, idoc underscore data -s data. Using this parameter is available in this include. This include has a one function model. The function model we have a idoc data is there. I will show you. Now I am fetching the data, the customization field from the Mara table and storing into work area, and I am checking as a condition based where matner equal to your work area main segment. In this work area main segment, I have matner field is there. Based on the condition, I am checking the these two fields data I am fetching. The condition will be satisfied, and once I store the data in this work area to my customization segment level, I am transferring the data. Now this custom segment I am assigning to the standard idoc, that is the idoc data type. Idoc underscore data type hyphen segment name equal to this is your custom segment name. This segment name I am passing to in this variable. This variable we have a field that is a segment name. In this field level I am passing the name of the segment. Now I have a data in this work area. I have a data that value I am passing to this field level. This field is available this variable. Now I am doing the append. I am doing the append. End if and when others activate. End case. It is beginning. If is beginning, close with the end if. Case is opening, close with the end case. That is the point here. Activate your code and click on back. Click on back. Here we have a idoc data. This is the variable is there. In this variable, this parameter, table parameter has a associate type ed_idd. If you double click on the ed_idd, this is a one idoc data structure. In this structure, we are using as a segment name. In this field level, I am passing my custom segment name. That is the point I have explained in the coding point of view. And come back and click on activate your extension and click on back. I have completed up to 5 steps. Next 2 steps we will see the next video. Now that you have completed watching this video, please replicate the steps in your system.